welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea, thanks for joining me today. I've got this gorgeous easel fold spring explosion Easter bunny thing going on today. So I thought I would show you how to make it. The Easter bunny, I've put the wrong way around. I should have put the head in front, not the back. I did it as if I was doing a backward bunny. But I've used a Delightful Daisy, I've used Butterfly Gala, I've used Petite Petals, Retired, I've used Rhinestones, I've used Stitch Shape framelets, I've used in colour DSP, everything is in play today because I'm feeling sunny and vibrant. So it's a little bit of an explosion, but oh well, push the boat out now and again. So here's how I made it. Hi, so to make this then, I've got a piece of pink cardstock which measures 4.5 by 12, and I've scored it at, on the long side, 4.5, 6.5, 8.5, and then it's burnished. I'll show you how it's burnished in a minute. So that's that. Then I've got a piece of Whisper White which measures 4.25 by 4.25. I've got another piece of Whisper White which measures 4.25 by 3.25. I've got a piece of DSP which measures 4 1/8 by 3 1/8. And then I've got a piece of DSP which measures 1 7/8 by 4.5. And then I've got my sentiment. I've got a little piece of pink cardstock which measures 1 3/4 by 2.5. And a bit of white which measures 1.5 by 2 3/8. And then I've stamped on that using Gorgeous Grape, and I've used a lot of stamp sets for this one. I used Sunshine Sayings for this one. Even though it's an Easter card, it's not going to say, it doesn't say Happy Easter, but it's obviously an Easter card. Then for the folding then, we need to be folding like this. So just get my bone folder. So our big piece is folded as a valley. So is the next piece. And then the next piece is folded as a mountain. So you end up with that shape. Okay. Right, so I'm going to pop the bigger of the Whisper White layers onto the base here. And this piece is a bit fuzzy around the edges. So I'm going to put those fuzzy edges out of sight. So stick that there. Put it down. Not going to see most of that. And then this piece of Whisper White is going to be stuck onto there. And then what I'll do is I'll explain the decorations, the embellishments, once I've stuck all this down. Use spotty or stripy side, doesn't matter which. And this is going to go, the card's going to go like that. So this is going to go there. So it's about 1/2 inch. You want that from the bottom. And I'm having mine so it reaches right across the width of the card. You might just want to put yours up to the edge of the white. But I just want to put mine right to the edge. Okay. And now, I'm not going to stick anything down just yet. So my sentiment, it's going to be on dimensionals, both layers, because I want it to stand up, although there'll be other things that will get in the way of it, because this is obviously going to act as my stopper. So I just want this to go. I just thought adding the purple on the sentiment just gave a little bit of a switch up in the colour scheme, and also I think it matches a little bit with the butterflies, because I made the butterflies totally different colours. And then that'll just sit there in the middle, so the card will rest against it when it's ready. And then obviously there's going to be some embellishments on that. Right, so now we're going to make the little dude. So for him, what we need is a set. I've used stitch shape framelits for this. I've used the circles, obviously. So we need 2 circles. That's the second largest, and the next one down. And then we need 4 ovals, which is, I think this is the smallest oval. And then that's going to be the feet. So it's all going to be stuck together like that, okay? And then once it's stuck together, we'll do a little bit of work with the pink ink. Okay, so just going to get some Tombow. Just going to put the heads on first. Now it's up to you whether you want the head to sort of be obviously like that, or if you want it to sort of go behind. I'm going to pop mine . There we go. We've got our little bunny. I think I would have put the head. I should have put the head forward really, but never mind. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.